In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your filler neck for your washer fluid on your Chevy Cruze. It's located under the hood on the driver's side. Before beginning, if you have washer fluid in your nozzle, you're going to want to siphon that out. You can use something like this. All right, so we're going to take this out. To do that, you're going to push this way, and then you're going to get something underneath and pry it up. Once you get it out of the bracket like that, you're going to do some twisting to free up those O-rings. There's two at the bottom. I'll show you on the new one. So you want to free those up and then pull up and remove it. Like that. Now we're going to put our new one in. You can wet this with water if you want, or washer fluid to ease the installation. And push it in, line up the tab, the two tabs right here and here, and push down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.